question is going to be very simple. The leakage current of a transistor, they are given ICO. Okay, so this is a reverse current with a common emitter configuration and with a common base configuration. They are given IB, everything also. Now we have to calculate the ICs. Right? It's very simple. Only the formulas are main constraint. Okay, so here from this one, let me go for the solution. What they have given is they are given ICEO. Okay, and this is about 410 mu A, is it right? And also you can see that ICBO, so it is about reverse current. Okay, so reverse current in terms of, okay, reverse current in terms of common emitter configuration. Okay, and a common emitter configuration, and this is same with respect to common base configuration. Okay, common base configuration, because ICBO is equal to 5 mu amps, is it right? So from this what you can see that ICEO, which is greater than ICBO. Okay, so you can know the relation between ICEO and IBO. How you can relate means you can say ICEO is equal to 1 plus beta into ICBO. I hope you know this formula because it's a simple formula. I'm going to study in the electronics and devices circuits, and that's same. Okay, now we just know the formulas. Okay, if we can calculate, go for the IC. So IC knows it right, beta into IB, is it right? IB, and then plus 1 plus beta into ICBO. So but what does the thing mean? So you don't know the beta, right? So first of all we have to find the beta value. So for find the beta value, this is one formula. Okay, for one formula, and this is, I can say another formula. You know this formula, it is available here. So this is another formula. I can take it as a A. So what do you do? So you take it as a equation. You just take it A equation. What is ACEO? It is 410. Is it right? Mu, you don't need to just constrain right now, which is equal to 1 plus beta. Beta you don't know. ICBO is given as a 5. Is it right? So from this you can take the value of beta. After calculation you may get the value as 8.1. Okay, because you know 5 if I get here, you will get around 85 something, and then afterwards you can just make 81. Is it right? That is very simple. Okay, and the next one, what I want to tell you means you can go for the next series with the help of beta. You can just get the next value. So IC is just equal to, take this equation, take this equation, and take this equation, and get into here, and you can just solve all the things. Beta into IB, 81 into, what is IB? IB they have given us 30 mu amps. So I just write only 30, no need of mu right now, because as it is the complete standard value. And then plus 1 plus beta. What is 1 plus beta? 81 plus 1. You can take 82. Because beta you know 81, so plus 1 is 82. Is it right? And then into, first of all have the bracket. Okay, you know that when the multiplication comes, the bracket should be available in between the plus or minus any of the term. You take a bracket, and then you know that ICBO. Is it right? ICBO, you know, is it right? That is a 5. So 82 into 5. So automatically, when you solve, you will get the answer as 2.84 in terms of, because they have asked the question and answer to be milliamps, right? In terms of milliamps, if you just calculate me, you get 2.84 or approximately 2.80 to 2.85 milliamps. Okay, it is not minus, this is the answer. Okay, so but anyhow we write the exact answer, 2.84 milliamps. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box. Thank you very much.